So next we are going to see about the data segmentation. So here the message is sent by the in Cisco is segmenting message. The message is sent by the receivers and the to the receiver. So segmenting is the process of breaking up the message into smaller units. So multiplexing is the process of taking multiple streams of segmented data and interleaving them together. So segmenting message has two primary benefits. One is increasing the speed and another one is increasing the efficiency. So the larger amount of data can be sent over the network without laying up a communication links, increasing the efficiency. Only segments which fail to reach the destination need to be retransmitted, not the entire data streams. So next, the messages, the multiple pieces of the messages will be labeled here and easy directions to the reassembly. So it will be forwarded as here 1 2 3 4 and the server will be receiving here the original. The sequence of messages is the process of numbering the segments so that the message may be reassembled at the destination. So the TCP is responsible for sequencing the individual segments. So protocol data units. The protocol encapsulation is a process where protocols add the information of the data. At each stage of the process, PDU has a different name to reflect its new function. One is data, segment, packet, frame and bits. So encapsulation is a top-down process. The level above does it process and then passes its downs to the next level to the model. This process is repeated by each layer until it's sent out as a bit stream. So here passing down the stack is data, segment, packet, frame and bits is forwarded, and here email is data is forwarded. Next we are going to see about the IP addresses. Both the data link and network layer uses addressing to deliver data from source to destination. So network layer source and destination addresses which are responsible for delivering the IP packet from original source to the final destination. Data link layer source and destination addresses responsible for delivering the data uh, link frame from one network interfaces card to another NIC to the same network. The physical data link layer, network layer, transport layer and upper link layer. So physical layer, the timing and synchronization system will forwarded. Data link layer, destination and the source physical addresses forwarded. Network destination and the source logical network addresses and destination source process numbers and encoded application data. Layer of three logical addresses. So the IP addresses contains network portion is IP4 or prefix of IP6, and each WAN will have same network position. So source of IP addresses will send the devices an original source of the packet and final destination of the packet. This is the IP packet is forwarded to the web server to the IP resources. So when the devices are the same Ethernet network, the data link frame will use the actual MAC address of the destination NIK. The MAC address is physically embedded into the Ethernet NIC and the local addressing. The role of network layer addresses, that is PC1 is 19.2.168.1 and web server is 7172.16.1. Then the source and destination have a different network positions, which means they are on the different network. Thank you.